Okay, here's an example how to create an animation using SolidWorks Motions together with some sensors and triggers. So what we got here is a block standing on top of a moving bar, and here we have a sensor on each side recognizing if the block will move if it tilted down. Using Motion as an add-in, I created the gravity, a contact, so we have what static and dynamic friction, and two motors switching them on and off. And using triggers to set up the rules, so if the block comes closer to each end, the motor will stop and change direction. And just playing this, and here's the result. You can see the motors are turned on and off to get the change of direction. You can download these files on the Swedish blog. Thank you.